In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use SoftBody to create this abstract art animation. This is how the scene looks like. I have a sphere that's blocking all the lights, a plane that has a collision physics, and two primary meshes that were joined as one. The gravity is deforming a mesh that had a wireframe modifier applied. Because two meshes that were joined were different in terms of their sizes, their softbody effects create a unique and artistic reaction. I'm using Eevee with bloom turned on, and the color can be changed by changing the emission color at the bottom. Very interesting and cool looking renditions can be created by changing the primary mesh's color like this. This sphere was created to block all lights. This plane has a collision physics enabled. This mesh is a result of a UV sphere, and a smaller icosphere being joined together. If you wish to edit the smaller sphere, hover the mouse in edit mode and type L to link select. I'll demonstrate how this mesh was created from the beginning. Shift-select both, and press Ctrl+J to join them. I'll show you the physics details. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.